Hey Bob, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the truth is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, a lot of business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who an expert is and who isn't. I've found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they could actually do themselves to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Craig, please help me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you and do it all yourself, hey, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your and my time. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. So what I did is I just went simply here and I searched Fence Company-Charleston and I clicked Carolina Fence Company and your company. Now yours and theirs, I threw in this tool called SEO Quake, and you can use this. It's a free tool to just kind of see where you're at. So right off the bat, you have 1,075 words. So Google's released that they want to see a minimum of 1,500 words on the homepage to be completely optimized with their platform. So you're about 500 words shy. But what I did notice about yours that is good is the quality. So you have Fence, Work, Fences, Chosin, Bob, Company. Chosin, Fence, free estimate. So you could focus a little more on the area. Charleston, Fence, Fence Company, Charleston. What this is basically when people type it into Google, this is where they search for to pop up. Now we can see your competitor has less words and even worse keywords, so that's one area you're beating them, so good job. Only thing I would say is increase this by 500 and add some more quality keywords that are going to draw your target audience. Now the second thing I'm going to talk about is citations. So if we go back here, we can see this map pack. The way you get up higher in the map pack is simply citations. And what we do is we simply put NAPs, or name, address, phone numbers, in directories. These directories range anywhere from YEX to yellow pages, white pages, anything that is a directory. Heck, even Facebook has an area you can do it. Now, the reason this is important is because this is just another area people look. We like to focus on the organic listing, but here's another area. So I took Charleston Fence LLC and ran them in a tool called Whitespark, and we can see they only have 16 listed citations in Whitespark. What's that telling me? They're easy to crush. A simple 100 citation pack right there that you could build would beat them out in no time. Now the third and most important thing is going to be backlinks. So I took yours and Carolina Fence Company and I threw them in a tool called Ahrefs. Now this is yours, and as we can see, you only have 1 backlink with 1 referring domain and 8 keywords, drawing in 0 clicks a month on your website. Now let's look at Carolina's. They have 619 backlinks with 85 referring domains, and they're drawing in 385 clicks a month on their website. So as you can see, it's very important to be up. So what is a backlink? Well, simply put, it works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice or a backlink, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have a blog about fencing linking to you, it is much more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. Again, this is called Ahrefs. It's just a tool that we use. Now, it's very important that you not only do quantity but quality, like I said, because that's really going to drive up the website on the Google organic listing. In closing, we talked about 3 things. Content, and you want to have 1,500 words on this homepage with good quality keywords. Secondly, we discussed citation and how you want to have at least 100, maybe even more, to crush your competition by a landslide. Thirdly, we discussed backlinking and link juice and how you need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google you are the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can either go with the information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.